So several years ago, I was living in Rome on sabbatical, and I was in a cathedral, one of the cathedrals in the city, and this father and his daughter walked in. They were speaking in English. They were clearly American tourists. She was maybe 4 or 5 years old, and they were looking at the decorations, looking at the stained glass. And at one point, I overheard the daughter say to her father, "Daddy, who's that man on the stick?" And he was puzzled at first, then he realized she was talking about the crucifix. So he was very embarrassed. He pulled her aside. He said, "Well, that's Jesus, and that's the crucifix." And then, well, why? Why did they do that to him? And they wandered off. I didn't get to hear his explanation of the central question of Christian theology. But after they left, I actually looked up again at the crucifix and thought, that is a little odd. I mean, why is the central symbol of Christianity this rather gruesome image, especially in Catholic iconography? Why is it this picture of someone being tortured rather than an image of Jesus walking on the water, or Jesus multiplying the loaves and fishes? Jesus did a lot of stuff. So why are they focusing on the crucifixion? Now, the standard answer would be, well, the crucifixion is centrally important to Christian theology. It's the key to Christianity. But that really just pushes the question back. Why is the crucifixion central to Christian theology? In this course, we're going to be looking at religion from a scientific perspective. I think one way to think of the scientific approach to religion, it's looking at religion from the perspective of a 5-year-old. Scientists are like 5-year-olds. They ask why about everything. They don't just accept that human beings have religious belief and behavior. They say why, and they ask questions about it. Why do religions focus on sacrifice? Why is sacrifice so important, as in the crucifixion? Why do religions take the form that they do? Why does religious behavior and belief exist, especially given how costly it is for the people who engage in it? These are the central questions that motivate the science of religion. So in this module, in the series of lectures in this module, we'll be introducing you to the basic central questions that motivate the science of religion. We'll be talking about some of the central methods, what distinguishes the science of religion from other types of approach to religion. And finally, we'll be talking about some of the issues with approaching religion from a scientific perspective, issues about reductionism, and what does it mean to study human-level truths from a scientific perspective. So welcome to the course, and I hope you enjoy Module 1.